Members of All Manipur Students' Union staged protests at Kangla Gate this morning against CAB. Speaking to media, Am Su President Basanta Thokchom lambasted the central government's step to impose CAB in the northeast. Sibsagar in eastern Assam wore a deserted look this morning as the shutdown call against Citizenship Amendment Bill evoked total response. The Ban call was given by All Assam Chutia Students' Union, All Moran Students' Union and Greater Assamese Yuva Manch. The 11-hour shutdown call given by Northeast Students Organization NESO on Tuesday against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill has drummed up support from various organizations across the region. The All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam has resolved to fully endorse the ban tomorrow from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. to support against CAB. The highly contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill is all set to be tabled in the Lok Sabha for passage today in Parliament. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will introduce the bill in the Lok Sabha that seeks to grant Indian citizenship to non-Muslim refugees from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan escaping religious persecution there. The bill is likely to face strong opposition in Parliament as opposition parties are protesting against many clauses of the CAB. Miss South Africa 2019 Josibini Tunzi won Miss Universe 2019 held at Atlanta, Georgia yesterday. 26-year-old Tunzi won the 68th edition of the prestigious pageant after excelling through the swimsuit and evening gown round and impressed judges with her answers on questions regarding social issues and one final chance to explain why she was the right choice.